Hi, I'm Dawn Reed, founder of Aloha to Aging, and we've been serving the community through nurturing targeted programming for caregivers, care recipients, volunteers, and the community at large.
What inspired me to start Aloha to Aging was actually families that I was previously serving. When I was closing that program, they asked me what I was going to do, and I said, go get a full-time job with benefits. And they said, no, what are you going to do about me? And that sat with me for quite a while. I realized there aren't any other programs out there, and just reached out to a bunch of people that I knew that would be supportive. Voila, here we are 16 years later. One of the reasons why I started Aloha was to provide the Aloha Day Club. We always say if you haven't laughed 3 times in the first half hour, we haven't done our job. We do trivia, we do games, art, music, the greatest of all times. We do seated exercises, and that engagement and that laughter between the volunteers and the participants is just a beautiful gift. Monthly, we have an open caregiver support group. No matter what the person might be diagnosed with that you're caregiving for, you're welcome to come to that. We do focus a lot with dementia. We also have a care partner support group for Parkinson's, so those with Parkinson's and their spouse. We also have a monthly educational program for caregivers for all different resources like Nelson Elder Care, hospice, understanding the needs, technology that you can have in your home, from isolation, depression. We focus on all the different things that a caregiver might need to help them through the caregiving journey. In the past 8 years, we are providing a day in the life simulation program that we've had as young as 7 attend, so a grandson, all the way up into their 80s, a spouse. We garb you and put you in scenarios where you would have to basically understand what it is to have both cognitive and physical challenges. That really helps families to better relate to their loved one and maybe understand some of the characteristics that they exhibit that they don't fully understand.
We're actually serving 13 counties. I'm very grateful for that. The beautiful gift of Aloha to Aging are the many hands and feet, the volunteers that actually make it happen. I'm blessed with 2 part-time people that help me to run it, but it's truly the volunteers that dig deep and bring many beautiful talents to help us create a wonderful opportunity for families and individuals in the community. We are having a gala on November 7th. It's a Friday evening at the Catholic Church of St. Anne. We're very excited. We haven't had a gala since 2019. Would love for anybody that's out there to join us. The gala is Games and Laughter Aloha Style. So it's going to be a fun Aloha night. We're going to be challenged with some fun games, and there'll be a live and silent auction. So we'd love to have you come out. I value our community partners and our community at large, especially Nelson Elder Care Law, to offer this opportunity. It's been 16 years. We look forward to the next 16 years. And please, if you are caregiving for somebody, our caregiving opportunities for free. They're open to you as well as friends and family to help them better understand what you're dealing with and maybe what your loved one's dealing with. So we look forward to seeing you at our programs, which are throughout the community, or at one of our fun fundraisers.